Okay, mini eaters, I'm back. Right, I've got a broken wire plug that goes on my heater panel. You guys see it? You can see it's melted. Now, I had to buy a new one. Well, I didn't, because the new one cost me 1,200 quid. I don't want to buy another car. I want to buy a plug. Right, this is what they send me. Okay? Perfect. 21 pin plug. That's what they call. Number 21, melted. Look at that. Always the 21. Now, these wires, too short. How am I going to do this? Well, they reckon I can use bullet connectors. And I thought, nah, that's what I'm not going to do. Who's going to put bullet connectors? That's what I'm going to do. These are small. And these are quite long leads. I need them. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to swap them over. Morning. Right. Just find your right one. You don't want to get mixed up. Right. I've already did one, so you already know. Look for your colours. Now that's a pink and black. Now this is what you're going to do. Get yourself a little tool. Homemade one. I got myself a pin. See it? It's just a normal pin. And I'll teach you how you're going to do it. Try to look for videos on YouTube. Nah, nobody wants to teach you. Well, I will, guys. Get your pin. You just got to clip. Right, the pin goes inside. Right, we're trying to get this one out. Yeah? This is what you do. I don't know if you can just see it. There's a pin. That moves. Yeah? Just get your pin in there. Between the two, you've got to do it between the two like that. Bend them over. Okay, you just go like that. Then up. Twist. You'll be able to hear it anyway. There. No, it's not there yet. Bear with me, guys. You've got to take a steady hand. Okay. Twist. Pull. And there you go. Look at that. It's fantastic. And this is what they look. Can you see it? Saves you half of the trouble. You can actually buy these pins. I was going to buy them. Get them from eBay. Just clip them there. Get one of these. I got this from the main hardware store. It cost me about 3-4 quid. I can't remember. But look at that. It'll tell you all the different sizes of wires to cut. If you want to use like bullet connectors, which I will. But I don't want to use these. These are too wide, too short. What were these guys thinking? God knows what they were thinking. But no, I won't do that. Now let's look for the wire. Same thing again. Go between the two. Make sure you get in between. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there you go. You go like this. Put them in. It's a bit fiddly. I'm trying to film and trying to show you. So it is not that easy. As you can see, it's just on common boot. I'm done. Look at that. Whack. And there it is. Same kind of plug. Make sure you put them properly. I'll tell you what to do. Always. There's a little groove in there anyway, so you'll be able to fit it properly. But you can see this little clip there. It's got like a little wedge, little corner there. Yeah, can you see it? And if we can just about see. Look at that. You can just about see, I think. Yeah, that's it. Can you see? Now it goes in. That's going to go straight in there. But facing up, not down, but up. Oh, watch, you're not going to get it straight on this side. So, there we go. Like I said, it goes this way. So that's got to face up. So that goes like that. Nice and easy. Whack. And there you go. That's the second one. Look at that, guys. Well, what I was going to do really was I was going to go through the line, just cutting this one off and just add a new wire and whatever, but it's kind of, I'd rather have a new one. Anyway, I'll see you in the douche minutes, okay? Once I do them all, I'll just show you. Don't forget, guys, subscribe. If you want to get, come on! My fish is doing my head in. Anyway, if you want another crazy video, you know what to do, manitas. Subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, I'm gonna crack on with a bit. Okay, guys, I've done one side. Don't forget this clip. That clip goes there. It's just a safety cap. That will just go in there, just like this. Bang. So that's, you won't get it out. Now the second one, just get a assembly knife, get in between the edge, and just kind of go like this. See what I mean? Just pop it out, and then you can just do it this side. Oh, once you can't get the wires out, bang. See what I mean? There it is. Once you get them out, then it's so easy to do it. I find out the hard way trying to do something that I couldn't, just an impossible task. I kind of forgot to do that clip. So in there, bang. Once you do that, then that's it. Same procedure again, and bang. That's it. There. Okay, guys, I'll crack on and I'll get back to you in a bit. To go. Get in there. Bust out. Now the next one. I don't know if you can see this. Make sure you get it between the pin and the plastic. Just like this. Bang. And it's out. Right. Don't forget the ridge. That goes in. That goes in there. Like this. Always facing down, as you can see. Did I get it wrong? Yeah. Bang. You know, if you can't go in, that means it's the other way, guys. You know how to do it. I don't need to explain. But do not forget the yellow clip that will go down this way, and make sure you get it in properly. Bang. Look at that, guys. Il fantastic manitos. I've done it. Look at that. Electrician wanted like 60 quid to do this, and over. Ripping, wanting to rip me off. Is he playing with my manito? Nah. Look at this. All the bits and bobs there. Yeah, there's the manitos. All you can do. That's all gone. As you probably have guessed it, I've not taken the last one. Why? Because it's melted. Da 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 da. You see? Do not forget, guys. Subscribe, manitos. Put a like on my page. If you want another crazy video, I've got another one. You're gonna like the other one. The next video is drink as many beers as you can and see how long it'll take you to get drunk. Hey, no. Okay, guys. Seriously. Subscribe. Ciao, manitos. Forza.